All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. It is the holiday season for a lot of people, and Pitaka has come through with a holiday box that you could possibly get here. This is their gift box that you could get for someone if you decide you want to get them a nice case and another goodie inside. So let's crack this open. This one has a pair of nice, warm, comfy socks inside. Put this off to the side here. There's nothing else in here, if you were wondering. And this one, you have your little Merry Christmas thing. Yeah, there you go. Limited edition over 500 pieces. You've got each piece of serial number. There you go. So you get the little card there, and here are the socks, which is crazy. This is wild, man. So you got these Pitaka socks, man. You get some more of these little things here that you might need. I don't think you will, but these are the Pitaka socks. That's wild. That is wild. Limited gifts like this, you can wear them if you want to, but I would say hold on to them and, make it special. Make it special. It's pretty cool. All right, let's get this over to the side so we can show you the actual case. Here is the case. Is there anything else in here? This is huge presentation for just a phone case. It's got to be more in here. It's got to be more. I'm hoping that there's more. Wow, we are not saving the planet. They don't claim to, but that is a premium presentation there for a case. Oh boy. But you get the socks in. It's just nice and protected. So you can see here it says Christmas on the label there. Let me see if I can zoom for you. You see it has its own serial number, which is really, really cool. Items are labeled, and you've got some more serial numbers over there and branding. And you've got some more branding on the top here, right there. Pretty cool. But ultimately, this is just another one of their cases, which is actually a good thing. And you've got the Pitaka logo in here, but then you have the little reindeer logo that matches the box. You can see there. So, yeah, Christmas season. If you're in the holiday season, you will rock this case right here all through the Christmas season. Yeah. And you got the name of the case. I guess this is the Edge down here. This brand, this particular model is called the Edge, I'm sure. I'm guessing because they're all labeled. If you see their other season holiday style case, this one's the label, the name is inside. But it does have the MagSafe technology. Strong casing as always. This with the gold and the red is actually pretty fire. And I like that this one has the same cutout for the button as the other generations of cases that they're bringing out too. I would say the different when you're putting these on, just be sure that you're putting them on, nice and easy, because this is a snug fit, and you're going to be scraping your device up possibly if you don't, if you're not too careful with it. So this is a good thing, man. This is actually really sweet. I really can get behind this color right here. All these colors look really good with the silver. If you have the blue or the orange, these colors do not work well with that, man. Maybe this teal looking one might work with the other colors, but this red, I don't know that I want to wear this red one with the other colors that are these colors here. I just don't know that I want to deal with the other ones. But yeah, everything is working fine on here. I need to get another tempered glass on here, but these cases are ultra thin, folks, and they're for people who don't really like to wear cases. And so here you are. You are that person. You don't like to wear cases. You're looking at the right case, because this thing has texture for one, and then also it's so thin. It actually still has grip, folks. You would think this wouldn't have grip, but this has grip. Don't be fooled. It has grip. So I want to go ahead and show you this holiday season case here from Pitaka. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.